Does that ring a bell? Understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, ring a bell. You might have heard it in conversations or movies, and wondered what it actually means. Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to dive deep into its meaning, usage, and origins. So, let's get started. When someone uses the phrase, ring a bell, they are not talking about physically ringing a bell. Instead, this idiom is used to express that something sounds familiar or reminds someone of something, but they can't quite remember it completely. For example, if someone mentions a name and you think you have heard it before, but you're not sure where, you might say, that name rings a bell, but I can't remember where I heard it. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in different contexts. Remember, it's all about expressing a vague memory or familiarity. 1. When talking about people, does the name John Smith ring a bell? I think he was in our high school. 2. For places or things, this song rings a bell, but I can't recall the singer. 3. In questions, does this place ring a bell? Were you here before? Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to signify a partial recall or a hint of memory. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember and use them correctly. The phrase, ring a bell, is believed to originate from the times when bells were used as signals or reminders for various activities. Over time, the phrase took on a metaphorical meaning, indicating something that triggers a memory or a thought, much like a bell would trigger a response or action. And there you have it. Now you know what ring a bell means, how to use it, and even a bit about its history. This phrase is a great example of the colorful and expressive nature of the English language. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and don't forget to tune in for more fun English lessons. Happy learning, and see you next time!